Certainly. DSLR stands for Digital Single Lens Reflex. It's a type of digital camera that uses a mirror mechanism to reflect light from the lens up into an optical viewfinder. When you press the shutter button, the mirror flips up, allowing light to hit the image sensor, capturing the photo. Here are some key points about DSLR cameras. Interchangeable lenses. One of the significant advantages of DSLRs is the ability to change lenses. This allows photographers to use different lenses for various types of photography, such as wide-angle, telephoto, macro, etc. Large image sensors. DSLRs typically have larger image sensors compared to compact cameras or smartphones. A larger sensor can capture more light, resulting in better image quality, especially in low-light conditions, and offering more control over depth of field. Optical viewfinder. DSLRs feature an optical viewfinder that provides a real-time, through-the-lens view of the scene you're photographing. This allows for precise framing and composition. Manual controls. DSLRs offer extensive manual control over settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO sensitivity, giving photographers more creative control over their images. Fast autofocus. DSLRs generally have faster autofocus systems compared to many compact cameras and smartphones, making them suitable for capturing fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife. Durability. DSLRs are built to withstand rough handling and adverse weather conditions, making them ideal for outdoor photography. Battery life. DSLRs typically have longer battery life compared to mirrorless cameras or compact cameras, thanks to their larger bodies which can accommodate bigger batteries. Accessories and ecosystem. DSLRs have been around for a long time, so there's a vast selection of lenses, accessories, and a supportive ecosystem of tutorials, workshops, and communities. However, it's worth noting that mirrorless cameras have gained popularity in recent years due to their compact size, electronic viewfinders, and advancements in technology. They offer many features similar to DSLRs but in a smaller form factor. When choosing between a DSLR and a mirrorless camera, it often comes down to personal preference and specific needs.